I've been feeling contractions since yesterday. This morning I lost my mucus plug. Oh my god. It's 9. It's currently 8:37. I talked about losing my mucus plug in the morning, but nothing exceptional has happened since then, except for the contraction that I'm feeling, but it's still inconsistent. So I don't see a reason to leave for the hospital yet. But I'm currently feeling it this night. I just hope I'm able to pull through. Tomorrow is another antenatal clinic for me. I just hope I'm able to pull through tonight. I don't know. Anything can happen. This baby can come in the middle of the night. This baby can come tomorrow. Nobody knows. Only Allah knows. But I just want to. Oh my God. It's as in tit. Oh, okay. Let's see how it goes. If I check into the hospital tonight, I will let you know. Oh, this is not even funny. My legs is breaking so much. If I don't check in tonight, if I'm able to scale through these nights, then I know that if I go for my antenatal clinic tomorrow, which is Wednesday, the probability of coming back home with the way I'm feeling is very slim. So I'm just going to pack a small backpack for myself. I still want to film. I'm coming, Obi. I will change it. I will change it. Here. I still want to film. Pack my hospital bag with me. Even I don't know how we're able to do this. This has to be the most chaotic. Pack my hospital bag with me. Good morning, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is rasheedahyinusa, a mom of 2, soon to be mom of 3, inshallah. Currently 39 and some days, I think about 3 or 4 days. Ooh, the bump is big. I've put things around, but I need to pack this on camera with you guys. I have my box here, nothing too big. I just have a wrapper in there. I'm just going to go have an hospital list here. I'm just going to pack accordingly. So it says night gowns. Let's start. I have this lovely nightwear, a 2-piece. I have this here. I have what am I doing? Okay. I have this other nice gown here. It's a short dress. Then there's this one because I've been a customer at this hospital. I've been a client, a patient for some years. We were given this years back. I don't know if they still use it or they will allow me, because I know that they always have each color. I just want to hold it just for extra. Okay? Yeah. Oh my God. Maternity brazier. Where are you guys? I thought I packed you guys out. Where are my maternity bras though? Oh my God. Okay. So let's look for this maternity bra. Guys, if you can see, I'm sweating because your baby girl is going to in between contractions. So I have 2 maternity bras. 2 maternity bras. I think I need to stand up for this one. I'm sweating. Oh my God. 2 maternity bras. Packets of sanitary towels. 1, 2. I don't think I can move more than 2. That should be fine. Large towel for mom. Packet of razor blade. coconut oil. I have that in my baby's bag. Sponge, and I have all my products here. I think I just need to put in my. I have all my toiletries in this bag. Let's drop this. Have you seen a more chaotic? Pack my hospital bag with me. This is a chaotic one. Next on my list, cake of washing soap, cups. I'm going to put that in another toothbrush. Pack that. Flask. Pack that in another bag. Disposable cotton pad. Disposable cotton pad. I have that in my baby's bag. Surgical gloves. Yeah, I have this. Okay, surgical glove. That will get at the hospital. Nightingale. Yeah. The other things, liquid antiseptic. I have that in my baby's bag. I think the other things I'll get them at the hospital. I just need to go with extra wipes. I have my wipes in my baby's bag. Extra cotton pads. My lactation supplements. Some scarves. Some wrappers. I have 2 extra short hijabs. Extra short hijabs. 1, 2. I think this should do. Yes. I am tired. Caps. Just 1 extra cap is fine. And extra outfits. I don't know what I'm wearing when I'm coming back home. Some snack, some plantain chips, just in case. Products here. Let's put that in the bag. But I'll show you guys. Yeah. Huh? Let's go and have this baby.